Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet. So if you also want to send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open the wallet in which you want to send the Bitcoin. Here I'm just going to open the Phantom wallet. You can open any wallet of your choice. You can open Binance, Bitget, MetaMask, etc. You can see over here Phantom wallet has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find several options. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for receive. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the receive interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is find the option for Bitcoin. Once you find the option for Bitcoin, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find your Bitcoin wallet. You'll be able to see the QR over here. You can deposit the crypto with this QR, or you can also use the address instead. Simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the Bitcoin address. Now the wallet address has been copied. Now what you have to do is launch open the MoonPay application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here MoonPay application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find several options. You'll also be able to see your total value over here. In order to send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet, simply tap on this icon that you can see right next to the home icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find your MoonPay accounts. What you have to do is find the account for Bitcoin. You can see the wallet card over here. Once you find the wallet card for Bitcoin, all you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right of the wallet card. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for send, copy address, show recovery phrase. Simply tap on the send option that you can see at first. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to send the Bitcoin. All you have to do is enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. Right now, I do not have enough Bitcoin, but after you enter the amount, all you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on your screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, all you have to do is enter the wallet address. After that, all you have to do is review the summary, then confirm the transaction. Initial transactions may take a few minutes to a few hours due to verifications. After the transaction has been completed, the Bitcoin will be sent from MoonPay to another wallet. So that is how you send Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.